Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hello viewers. I am Yusuf. I welcome you all in 5 Minutes Information channel. This is episode number 102, and in this video clip I will talk about the digital literacy skills. This video is digital literacy part 1. Viewer guidance, you can get the notes of this video lecture mentioned on the link of this video description. In this video I will talk about the two main points. Number 1, what is digital literacy? Point number 2, which type of digital literacy skills organization demand? Come to the point number 1, what is digital literacy? Digital literacy is one of the key literacy in digital environment. Digital literacy is an umbrella term, but it is different from the computer literacy, information literacy, or media literacy. As per the definition of American Library Association, defines digital literacy as the ability, use of information and communication technologies to find, evaluate, create, and communicate information requiring both cognitive and technical skills. Point number 2, which types of digital literacy organization demanded or organization required? Organization and institution seeking 5 digital literacy skill in an individual at the time of hiring or recruitment. Number 1, independent operating of digital devices. Number 2, familiar with digital platform and terminology. Number 3, collaborations. Number 4, ready to adopt new technology. Number 5, ability to explain the digital technologies. I describe each point one by one. Point number 1, independent operate of digital devices. A digital literate person independently operates the digital devices and can overcome the minor issues, to know the normal function and create files, open the file, share, and etc. Audiovisual support or images modification or any other communication tool. Point number 2, familiar with the digital platform and terminology. Company and organization prefer for such digital literate person who are well aware with the digital platforms and digital terminology associated with the digital literacy. Point number 3, collaboration within the organization as well as outside the organization is very important for the digital literate person, and collaboration will support to the organization. Point number 4, ready to adopt new technology. Digital literacy has constantly evolved and changes due to rapid technological development. A digital literate person has a skill to adopt the new technology because innovation has no limit for change. Point number 5, ability to explain the digital technologies. The last skill of the digital literate person, he or she has ability to explain the digital technology with other individuals, teammates, seniors and juniors, and sharing and transfer the knowledge. Here I conclude the episode number 102, Digital Literacy Part 1. In this episode, I discussed 2 points. Number 1, what is digital literacy? Point number 2, 5 important skills of digital literate person, which liked by the most of the organization and institution. Like and share if this video is interesting. Stay connected. I will back soon with another informative episode. Thanks for watching till the end.